Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is Untitled. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, it's going to be a what I eat in a day video. You guys have asked me to do this, so I'm just doing these once a month for you, just so you can get an idea of what I eat throughout the year. This day was a little bit unusual. It was a partial in-office day, partial work-at-home day. So you'll see sort of 3 different meals and a couple different physical surroundings as well. I didn't have any treats this day. I'd only had the 3 meals this day as well. So I hope that you take some inspiration from these. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay, everybody, like usual, when I eat at work, I'm eating at my desk. Again, I don't recommend that for you. Please don't do that. But I just have roasted broccoli. This has some like herbamere on it. I roasted it with avocado oil and salt. And herbamere, 400 degrees, 15 minutes is all fresh broccoli takes. It's really fast. And then these are some breakfast sausages. So this is just pork, ground pork with the breakfast sausage seasoning that I make, and I'll link that below. That's in one of the videos I had before. And you'll see all this. I'm going to do a prep with me video that shows me prepping all this stuff for the week. I like to do this where I do like the breakfast sausages in like a big batch cooking because you can kind of eat them at any time of the day. They're really easy protein to grab or snack. But this is my breakfast today. I'm going to do this. I'm going to have water and tea, and then I will see you back at lunchtime. All right, everybody. Okay, everybody, this is going to be lunch today. Just cooking it right now. So I took some of that chicken from our prep video, and I just cut up enough for me to have. I had some leftover broccoli from the broccoli you saw me prep. I had a little bit of carrot, and then I took a bag of rice cauliflower. Yes. Sort of rice cauliflower, and I'm just making basically a chicken fried rice is what this will be. I had some green onions in the fridge that I added to it as well. So I'm just going to stir fry this up, get it nice and hot through. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut aminos and garlic and ginger to just kind of have a little bit more Asian flavors. But you could actually honestly just eat it like this once it's hot, with a little bit of salt if you prefer, or you can even do herbamere or something like that. So whatever seasonings you like. I'm going to go for a little Asian flair today. I'm going to eat that. That's going to be my lunch. I cooked it in a little bit of avocado oil just to give it some healthy fats. And this should fill me up until supper time. All right, I will show you what it looks like in the bowl here once it's all done cooking. And then we will see it at the next meal. All right, everybody. Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give you the bite shot. It's still quite hot. You can kind of see just working at home now. I was at work earlier. So let's see how it tastes. So this is a kitchen sink fried rice, which is what I think of fried rice anyway. You just kind of take whatever you've got and make it into something delicious. So let's see. It's really good. Actually, it's really, really good. I did, like I said in the video, I had some of those chicken that I had roasted you'll see it in the prep video, but I basically just did a bunch of chicken with a bunch of different flavors. I took the ones that had kind of the garlic onion flavoring on them, chopped them up into small bite-sized bits, tossed them in a skillet with some like 3 or 4 chopped up green onions I had in the fridge, took a couple of carrots and diced them small. Again, that had already been prepped, so it really was just cutting them smaller. Took some broccoli that I had prepped that just cut it smaller. Tossed it all together with a bag of cauli rice. And then for the seasonings, I just did garlic salt. So just sprinkle that all over as much as you like or as little. I had fresh ginger, which I always prefer fresh ginger over the powdered ginger if you have it. And I just take a microplane and grate it right into the dish. Again, as much or as little as you like. And then I did about a 1/4 cup, maybe less, of coconut aminos. If you don't have coconut aminos or they're hard to get, don't worry about it. Like, it's not a big deal. There are some recipes online to kind of recreate coconut aminos if you need it. I haven't tried those, but a few of you have. So if you have and you thought it turned out well, put it in the comments below for folks. Otherwise, this is super easy. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to make, and I'm working from home today, so that's great because I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I need to kind of really focus on the work that I'm doing. So I just popped up, grabbed some water, made this. I'm going to eat it while I work, and then I will see you guys back at supper time. All right, everybody, see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, here is dinner tonight. I've got roast broccoli, sweet potato fries. Those are just sweet potatoes roasted on high temp, and a pork cutlet. So this is just the ground pork with some Italian seasonings, and I put it in a little cassava and then fried it in coconut oil. And that is dinner.